All right, what's up, guys? Not much. Got everything going. Got this thing together. Race gas runs good. What's up, bro? But coming over here, got a lot more done. Everything's basically removed at this point. We got shifter cables out, all the radiator heater core hoses, gas lines, all that stuff taken out under the car. Everything on the over there on this side's out, everything on the back side. Even got this, what is it, this what is this called, the speedometer cable that goes in the transmission, that's out. So last thing we got to do is just drain transmission fluid, pops axles out, and start pulling. So I guess we'll see if we can get this thing out from the top. They say you can't, and I see why they say this, because of this mount right here, because this mount is on the frame and it sticks out about that far, but the transmission goes about maybe here. So this will not clear if you come straight up, which that's why you probably cannot remove the motor from the top, but we're going to try it. So this is kind of the plan. The motor's sitting like this. What we're going to do is maybe drop it, loosen the mounts up some, because I have the chain fall that I can adjust the motor. So if I just pull the motor up, it's going to hit on this side. It's going to hit on this side, so it won't like come straight up. So what I'm thinking I might do, if I drop it down some, angle it, and then come out. That's what we're gonna try. So we're gonna see if we can get it out. I guess we'll see. If not, I'll just fucking drop it on the ground and we'll do it the ground way, but I don't want to do it on the ground. So we'll see. All right, let's get to work. Alright guys, so got the engine lift. Went to put the engine lift up here, and I think I'm gonna take the bumper off because I just need like a couple more inches. Everything's out. It should be ready to pull out. She's nice and loose, ready to come out. Take 2 engine mounts out, and I'm gonna try to rip it out from the top. If that doesn't work, I guess we'll just drop it on the ground and do it from the ground. I didn't want to do it that way, but we'll see. So I really, because honestly, if I scratch like this up or something hits coming out, I don't care. I'm just getting it out. So, all right, let's keep it rolling.